Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson Secret for 2. Okay. Choose the correct option. Pierre Dupin's loyal companion for 30 years had been a dash horse named Joseph. White, brown, black. So it's a white horse. Every morning, Dash would greet Dash with the words Bonjour Ville Ami. Peter Jacques Pierre Joseph. So answer Pierre Joseph. Pierre could not dash, read or write, get down from the horse without help, remember things well, read or write. Understood? Next, answer these questions in a few lines. What did what did Pierre say about Joseph's nature when he first saw him? When Pierre first saw Joseph, he thought that Joseph was a kind, gentle, and faithful horse. He named him Joseph after Saint Joseph, whom Pierre believed was also gentle and had a beautiful spirit. Briefly describe the morning routine followed by Pierre and Joseph for delivering milk. Pierre would arrive at the stable early in the morning. The milk wagon would be loaded and Joseph would be harnessed to it. Pierre would sit on the wagon and Joseph would take them from house to house. Joseph knew the route so well that he stopped at the correct houses without being guided. What showed that both Pierre and Joseph were aging together. Both Pierre and Joseph gradually became old. Pierre's mustache turned white and he began to walk slowly and limp. Joseph also became weaker. He did not lift his knee as high or raise his head as much as before. Why was Pierre panic stricken? Pierre was panic stricken when Jacques suggested that he should retire because he could not imagine his life without driving Joseph every day. Pierre and Joseph were very close, so he wanted them to grow old and retire together. What was the terrible news that Jacques had to give Pierre? What was the milkman's reaction to the news? Jacques told Pierre that Joseph had not woken up that morning because he had died of old age. Pierre was heartbroken. He said that he could not see Joseph again and walked away sadly. Next, life skills and values. What secret did Pierre and Joseph share? Pierre and Joseph shared the secret that Pierre was blind. Pierre had been blind for several years, but nobody at the milk company knew about it. Joseph knew the milk delivery route so well that He could guide the wagon from house to house without Pierre having to see. Understood? Next, what kind of bond did Pierre and Joseph share? Give two examples that show their closeness to each other. And Joseph shared a deep bond of love, trust, friendship, and understanding. For example, Joseph knew the entire milk delivering route and could take Pierre from one house to another without directions, and Pierre refused to retire without directions. And Pierre refused to retire without Joseph and said that they should grow old and retire together. Their relationship was based on mutual trust and dependence. Was Jax a good boss to Pierre? How do we know? Yes, Jax was a good and caring boss. He noticed that Pierre was getting old and suggested to the company president that Pierre should be allowed to retire with a pension. He also understood Pierre's special relationship with Joseph and comforted him when Joseph died. Okay, understood? Next, find words from the story which mean the same as the following: supplied, delivered, extraordinary, remarkable, facts about someone's past achievements, record, tiredly, warily, shocking, startling, startling, suggested, advised. Okay, next B. Look at the words in bold. Then circle the correct option to complete each analogy. One has been done for you: milk, cream, wheat, flour. Stable horse, pen, sheep. So, stable is a where horse is kept, that is called stable. Pen, where sheep is kept. Okay. Truck driver, aeroplane, pilot. Startled, surprised, happy, joyful. So, this is the meaning. Carriage, road, boat, water. So, carriage travels on road and boat travels on water. Understood? Next, fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives. Please add dash salt to the dash fish. Some fried, many cold. So, add some salt to the fried fish. The Taj Mahal is one of the dash examples of dash architecture. One of the grandest historic. Jupiter has dash moons while the Earth has just dash. 79. 79 moons, Earth has just one. Sid wanted to eat dash of the dash cake. Sid wanted to eat half half of the chocolate cake. I received dash gifts on my birthday, but I like the dash mouth organ the most. I received several several gifts, but I like the man-made mouth organ the most. Understood? So, for this, we finished our exercise part of the lesson, Secret for 2. Tomorrow, we will start new lesson, that is Since Hannah Moved Away. Okay? Thank you.